Good morning everyone. My name is Madhulata. I am studying 9th class from ZPH Kotpeta High School. She is my partner.
My name is Udesri. I am studying 9th class from ZPH School, Kotpeta.
Now we are discussing about air pollution monitoring system. Air pollution refers to the release of pollutants into the air which are harmful to human health such as carbon monoxide, methane, uh, fluorinated gases are harmful to affect the climatic changes. Now she will.
This is MQ135. This is a gas sensor. This detects air pollution. And this is DHT11. DHT11 is the digital humidity temperature. This is controls with microcontroller like Arduino Uno and etc. And this is the DHT11 low cost digital sensor. This measure humidity and temperature in the air. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is P. Shravya. I am studying in 9th class ZPHS Kottapeta High School. She is my partner.
Good morning everyone. My name is Joshna. I am studying 9th class. My school name is JPH Kothpeta Elementary.
Today, in this project, we are discussing Army Toll Plaza. In this project, we are used some materials, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, and Arduino Uno. Now she is continued.
Ultrasonic sensor is used to sense vehicle and send to data. Arduino Uno or send to sorry. Ultrasonic sensor is used to sense vehicle will come and detect the send the Arduino Uno. Servo motor is used to operating the gate open. Thank you.
వచ్చే ముందు అల్ట్రాసోనిక్ సెన్సర్ అనేది సెన్స్ చేసి ఆటోమేటిక్ గా సర్వో మోటార్ ద్వారా గేట్ అనేది పైకి లెగుస్తుంది. ఎప్పుడైతే వెహికల్ వెళ్ళిపోతుందో అది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా క్లోజ్ అవుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shashipriya. I am studying 9th class in ZPHS Kottapeta High School. She is my partner.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ashishwin. I am studying in 9th class in ZPHS Kotpet High School. This project name is Petrol Fuel Flow Fraud Detection.
We are presenting the project Petrol Fuel Flow Fraud Detection. This project is very helpful in our daily life. This is a model of a petrol tank in our vehicle, and whole this is a model of a petrol bank. We generally, while we are filling the petrol into our petrol tank, the petrol bank reader may show you a desirable amount of petrol, but it may wrong. The 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 owners of the petrol bank probably set the petrol reader what they want. Then we get some amount of petrol, and we will pay much amount of cash. Then this project is very useful. This the materials that we used are she explained.
The materials names we used this Arduino Uno, and this is LCD display. This is a water flows sensor.
Arduino Uno is a microcontroller which works like a brain to hold this project. And this is water flow sensor sense water flow. And LCD display di- uh, show our show our show the display the output. Now we explain with an demonstration. When we take water instead of petrol, when we pour the water, we can know the amount of water through this display. So this is our project fuel fraud detection. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tulsina Krishna. I am studying 8th class B section in ZPHS Kottapeta School. He is my partner.
My name is G. Deepak. I am studying 8th class ZPHS Kottapeta.
This project name is Home Security System. In this project we use 4x4 keypad, servo and Arduino Uno. This is 4x4 keypad. We use a 4x4 keypad for security purpose door lock system. And 4x4 keypad is by using a password. We can open and close the door. This is Arduino board. Arduino board is multi-cellular board. It is performs. మనం ఆల్రెడీ 4x4 కీప్యాడ్ లో ఆల్రెడీ పాస్వర్డ్ చేసి ఉంచుతాం. ఆ పాస్వర్డ్ 1111 యాష్. ఇప్పుడు ఆ డోర్ ఓపెన్ అయింది. మళ్ళీ కొంచెం తర్వాత క్లోజ్ అవుతుంది. అలా పాస్వర్డ్ నొక్కితేనే కానీ డోర్ ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. ఎవరైనా వచ్చి రాంగ్ పాస్వర్డ్ నొక్కితే డోర్ ఓపెన్ అవ్వదు. ఈ విధంగా ఇంటికి మనం సెక్యూరిటీ కింద డోర్ కింద పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning to everyone. My name is STJ Vasit. I am studying 9th class in ZPHS Kottapeta Elementary. He is my partner.
Hi, good morning to everyone. My name is D. Mohit. I am studying 8th class in ZPHS Kottapeta Elementary.
Today our project is vertical automatic solar panels. In this project we used Arduino Uno, breadboard, 3 solar panels, 3 servo motors, 2 LDRs. In this main aim of our project is to reduce the land and construct the solar panels. This is our main project. When LDR detect light, servo motor will rotate the solar panels to this side.
ఇప్పుడు మనకి దీని వల్ల యూజ్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 2 ఎల్డిఆర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇవి రెండు కూడా మనం సన్ లైట్ కానీ ఏమన్నా మామూలుగా లైట్ కానీ ఏమన్నా పడినప్పుడు ఈ సర్వో మోటార్స్ అనేవి రొటేట్ అవుతాయి. లైట్ వైపు రొటేట్ అవగానే ఈ సోలార్ ప్యానల్స్ ఏమో తిరిగితే సన్ లైట్ వైపు అప్పుడు మనకి కరెంట్ వస్తుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shyam. I am studying in 8th class in ZPHS Kottapeta Elementary. He is my partner. Good morning to everyone. My name is Sujit Naidu. I am studying 8th class in ZPHS Kottapeta Elementary. I am telling about blind stick. Blind stick can use blind people. You can use this blind stick. You can use Arduino and ultrasonic sensor and a buzzer. This project is used for blind people. If a person is blind, he could not wear his nose, and he can't understand. He can't identify whether and any ob, any objects no, nearby him or not. The ultrasonic sensor is the ultrasonic sensor is used. The ultrasonic sensor is used for sense objects, and it sends to the data and microcontroller board. If any objects nearby the sensor, the buzzer sounds. He continued. Arduino is a microcontroller in which perform which perform single task multiple times. The object used for ఇది కళ్ళు లేని వాళ్ళకి చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. దీని ముందు ఏదైనా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు బజర్ తో సౌండ్ చేస్తుంది. దానివల్ల బ్లైండ్ పీపుల్ కి ఏమన్నా ముందు ఉందా అని తెలుస్తుంది. దానివల్ల చాలా ఉపయోగం ఉంది కళ్ళు లేని వాళ్ళకి. చాలా థ్యాంక్ యూ. Good morning to everyone. My name is C.H. Harsha. I am studying 9th class in Jilla Parishad High School, Kottapeta. He is my partner. Good morning everyone. My name is S. Durga Prasad. I am studying 8th class at ZPHS Kottapeta. This project name is RFID based attendance using Arduino Uno. Using components Arduino Uno, LED red, LED green, RFID reader, buzzer. The main aim of our project is
take attendance. Is take attendance. Used RFID. RFID means radio frequency identification. Tags and cards.
ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రాజెక్ట్. మనము కార్డ్ ని RFID రీడర్ మీద ట్యాప్ చేయగానే మనకి ఆన్లైన్ గా ఎడిషన్స్ ట్యాప్ అయిపోయి మనకి బజర్ నుంచి సౌండ్ రెడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి మనకి ఆన్లైన్ రిజిస్టర్ వల్ల టైం టేకెన్ తక్కువ అవుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ ఆల్.
Good morning everyone. My name is Navyasri. I am studying 8th class from ZPHS Kottapeta Elementary. She is my partner.
My name is Hasna. I am studying 8th class. Now we are discussing about Bluetooth connecting garden system. In this Bluetooth connecting garden system, by Bluetooth control Bluetooth module are Arduino Uno. We relay module and a water pump. By using a SC05 module, we pair it with the mobile phone, and we can operate a water pump in our garden while loosely. She continues the remaining part.
Relay module is an electromagnetic switch. It is used from the switch the motor by signal from a Arduino Uno. The water motor pump is used to water pump signal from relay. This is working of our project. This is the working of our project Bluetooth control gardening system. Thank you.